What's up, Silars family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today I'll try to make very easy and really delicious salmon ceviche at home. Trust me, we don't need lots of ingredients, and this salmon ceviche will one of the best you can make very easily and super quick at your homes. So let's go. Little ingredients like this. I'm going to use the lemon, avocado, mango, cucumber, red onion, and pepper. You can use the Malageta, also you can use the Asian pepper, what kinds of pepper you have available you can use. And this is said tomato. And I'm going to use the coriander. And the most important things you should have always, sushi and sashimi grade salmon. To make the sushi and sashimi grade salmons, I already made one video in a detailed way. You can check this video. Let's go. I'll marinate the salmon. So firstly, I'll cut in a dice cut. I will just it with kosher salt and black pepper. Salt and pepper, lima juice, I'll add more lima juice, 1.5 lima for this, and lemon juice also. Now I will wait till 10-15 minutes at least, so it will marinate very well. This mango and cucumber are the optionals, okay? If you like, you can use, otherwise it's okay. Cucumber. I'll take out the seeds. It's almost marinated very good, I think. Wow, you can see here it's good. If you want, you can throw this extra water to reduce the acid levels, but I'm not going to take out this extra water from the salmons because I'm going to use lots of ingredients. So I'll use the avocado, red onions, cherry tomato, pepper, cucumber, that is optional, and mango, that is also optional. Let's go. I'll use the extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit sesame oil for the extra level of aroma. At last but not least, I'm going to use the corianders. This is how we can make our delicious salmon ceviche at home. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.
The